Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can remove and add backgrounds to your videos in CapCut PC. So yes, the subject has to be a person or else it just won't work. You can use like the customized cutout, but you can't really, well, it's a pro feature, that's what I'm trying to say. Go to cutout and select auto cutout. As you can see, if you use customize as a pro feature, it's going to look a little bit not like the most perfect thing. But to add in like a different background, you can place it on top here and go and find like a background from the CapCut app, or you can just like download it yourself or whatever. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!